Once upon a time, in the heart of the enchanted forest, there were two delightful creatures, named Benny the bear and Sammy the squirrel. Benny was a large, cuddly bear who loved to explore and always wore a bright yellow scarf. Sammy was a small, energetic squirrel with a knack for finding shiny acorns. One sunny morning, Benny and Sammy decided to go on an adventure to find the legendary Rainbow Falls, a beautiful place said to be hidden deep within the forest. As they trotted along the winding paths, they chatted happily about their plans to slide down the glittering water and dance under the colorful mist. "I heard the water shimmers with all the colors of the sky," Sammy chirped excitedly, bouncing from branch to branch. "And they say if you make a wish under the rainbow mist, it comes true." Benny grinned. "Maybe we'll wish for an endless supply of honey and the juiciest acorns." They kept walking until they encountered a rather tricky river crossing. The bridge was nothing but a faint memory, leaving only slippery stones scattered across the swift current. Sammy looked unsure, but Benny, being the friendly and caring bear he was, scooped Sammy up onto his back. "Hold on tight, little buddy. We're going to hop across together." With a mighty leap, Benny landed safely on the rocks, keeping Sammy dry and giggling. They joyfully continued their journey, passing more wonders of nature, chirruping birds, colorful butterflies, and fields of wildflowers. Just as the sun was starting to set, they reached Rainbow Falls. It was indeed as magical as they had imagined, with glistening waters cascading down and creating a misty rainbow arch. Underneath its colorful glow, Benny and Sammy made their wishes, then spent the rest of the evening splashing and playing. As the stars began to twinkle, they lay on the grassy bank, looking at the shimmering sky. Benny sighed happily. "This was the best adventure ever, Sammy. I can't wait for our next one." Sammy agreed with a sleepy yawn. "And we'll always be the friendliest guys in the forest, spreading smiles everywhere we go." And with that, as the night embraced the forest, the two friends drifted into dreams of more adventures to come. Always together, always friendly.